tornado. Everyone, so what's he to do? Boom, boom, warning! There goes a tornado coming. Oh my God! I have to get my diamond. I get my diamond in this tree. Ah. Let's run! Run for your life! Run! What? I think my phone.
Run in and grab my drink.
Okay. Go, everyone. Okay, I had to go. Go. I'm not gonna just run for my life. Okay, my son coming. Son, are you coming? Yes, Papa. Okay.
Matthias.
Keep on coming. I'm sorry, everyone. Okay, come. I'm just gonna do the video. Come. Where are you?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Sorry.
Open that door and tell
Sorry.
Matthias he better get in this house.
Okay.
Right this in.
Okay, guys. Oh no. Get in the car. I have to get in the car now. Go.
Get in this house.
Warning.
Instant.
We got it. Duh. Okay.
Nolan, what are you doing?
Just looking for where my mom's drink is at. Oh, warning. The tornado.
Well,
Keep
he's
coming.
in his car seat, but
Oh God. Get there now. Copy and my son. Okay. My son is probably gonna come.
here,
I need to get in there.
that's what you were looking for.
What?
Your mom's drink?
Oh yeah. Oh, I have to go.
God, I'm telling you.
Go now. Go now. I have to die. No. Oh God, I'm cooked. Can't get in. Okay. I'm in. Okay, so now let's go, Con. Okay. Lisa? Oh God. Oh, where are we going? Morning. Tornado. The first wave of tornado coming now. What? The first tornadoes? It just came now. I'll go on. Mako had just been on kids, so. Want you guys to go in the house. Go, guys. I'm not doing that one. Just stop playing music. Help me. God, no.
It takes it a second to connect.
Please, you don't. What? But I'm so die. I don't want
Buckled up.
No, wait. Please, I don't want to die. Ask me for real. But okay, so I'm sorry.
See how the leaves are.
Sorry, gang. No, wait, my dad died. No, I do not want to die. Please. Wait. Okay. Don't make me die for real. Just lie. Please. Guys, I'm sorry. Oh my God. How much blood did that? Oh my god. How many people I died? Help me. But that's the first wave. I think so, everyone. Okay. Okay, let's go. Go. Please I don't die. I'm sorry. No, please. Yeah. I don't want to die. What? Okay. Okay. I don't want to die, bro. Please, please. Oh, that person probably died. Okay. The fourth tornado, Shangy. I broke it. That guy's supposed to be actually dead. Yep. Okay. So now I can act like a demon. Think, okay, stay over. I don't want to die for real. Okay, so I'm sorry about that kid. So the kid died. I'm sorry I didn't get track of it. But, because I was just looking at the Shangy. Oh! Alright. Admit, okay. And then the second one coming. The second one, I think is it already coming? No, I could add 5 cents. And the second, this is the first episode I want, so I'm gonna do I don't care about fix die. Okay? Okay. Okay, guys. Good. Okay. Bro, what? How are you fix the way you know the radio just
the way you touch, the way you used to kiss me.
Okay.
I want you just the way you are. The way you rock, the way you understand me, the way you know, the way you just whisper me, the way you touch, the way you used to kiss me. I want you just the way you are. The way you rock, the way you understand me, the way you know, the way you just
I'm sorry about that,
the
everyone.
way you touch, the way you used to kiss me. I want
Sorry
you
about that.
just the way you are.
I'm very sorry about that, everyone. Yeah, that is really stupid. I don't want anybody. Go, everyone. Okay. The ad is probably fixed to get done, so now done. Help me. That's wrong, friends. I'm sorry. Help me.
Oh, look at Birdie and her baby. She had her head down. She was like, Can I go in the bedroom? Big camera.
The first second wave done. Bye, everyone. Bye. Okay, this is the end. Bye, everyone.